Alright, y'all. We back again with another video. This another one of my books. Yeah, another one of my books where you can go click on that link and goddamn purchase this book and stuff like that. I gotta hold it like this because I don't know. It's on my tablet. I don't know what might pop up. I just don't hope no porno, no nasty ass pictures pop up. Not that I look at nasty ass pictures and girls be sending me nude ass pictures. I don't do them type things. I don't do them things. But check this book out. Positional Power, one of my first books. I rewritten the first one, because it was short and stuff like that. You still can listen to that version also, but through the audiobook version. You can go to Barnes and Nobles, Books a Million, Spotify. Well, this one is not on Audible. It is on Audible. The first one, the first copy of this book is on Audible. But this is the extended version. I don't know if y'all can see it and stuff like that, because I ain't trying to turn it a certain way. Then someone with nasty ass picture pop up, some little ass person pop up. But anyway, if you'd like to get in contact with me, you can still send me an email or text me on WhatsApp on worldwide. And with that being said, I'm gonna just let you listen to the audio book. If you like what you hear, damn. If you like what you hear, just go and click on the book. I got heartburn like a motherfucker, man. Hey, just go check out the book, man. Yeah, go check out the motherfucking book. Hotter than a motherfucker here.
Chapter 11. What happens to your narcissistic ex once you move on? What you go through in life doesn't matter as much as how you deal with it. Anonymous. People from around the world ask me these questions all the time. What happens to my ex once I move on with my life? Do they still think about me? Are they still concerned about me? What are some of the steps they go through? The answer to your questions is once you do self-improvement and you move on with your life and better yourself. Yes, your ex will think about you and notice your change and secretly want you back. You must become happy with yourself and love yourself. If you're doing great in life, your ex is going to get mad and regret leaving out of your life. Because when they exit your life, they expect you to be unhappy, in a breakup state of mind, or depressed in that sad sorrow stage forever. Because your ex gets a thrill out of knowing they hurt you. Because once upon a time you used to have love and respect for your ex. They will never forget how you used to be obsessed over them. Your ex's worst fear is seeing you move on and live a better life with someone else. That's why I always say you must self-improve and stop caring about your ex so you can gain your power back. If you remain in no contact and better yourself and improve your mindset by reading my books, you develop an attitude that directly and indirectly shows your ex you don't want anything to do with them anymore, and they're dead to you. They will get mad and upset because they are always seeking your validation. Your ex indirectly will start stalking you to stay informed and watch your progress. Just because they are not contacting you directly doesn't mean they are not watching you. They will use friends, family, and coworkers to spy on you to see what you are doing. When your narcissistic ex can't see what you are doing with your life, their mind starts playing tricks on them. Your ex lives in a fantasy world, and because of this, they will play the victim and tell anyone that will listen that you're a monster and a horrible person. They will say things like this: "My ex never had time for me, so I was forced to go to someone else. My ex was abusive physically and mentally. My ex was broke and boring. They forced me into the arms of someone else. It's my ex's fault that I left. I did nothing wrong in a relationship. I was so good to my ex. My coworker was always there to listen to me, while my ex was at work neglecting me." Your ex is gonna lie and play the victim role, or they're gonna take credit for your hard work and self-improvement. Your ex will also downplay your improvement, because they don't want to feel like they were the person that was holding you back the whole time. But in reality, they were the person holding you back. You should be grateful for the pain they caused in your life, and tell them thank you for showing me your true color so I don't have to waste any more time with your ass. If you ever get the opportunity to tell your narcissistic ex thank you for breaking my heart, leaving me, discarding me, leaving me for the painkiller that can never be me. You created a stronger and tougher version of me. Your ex or spouse will show you their true colors in time. You will realize your narcissistic ex never loved you because they're incapable of love. They can't give you something they don't have. They were only with you for what they could gain from you. They weren't with you for love, companionship. The reason why they do this is because they are insecure, weak little kids that seek validation and attention. You see a shell of a grown-ass person, but in reality, that's just nothing more than a 14-year-old grown child. And a narcissistic hoe always wants something from nothing, and you must understand that you cannot satisfy them no matter what you do. Because these narcissistic hoes come in the front door looking for the back door. In other words, I'm saying they come going. So I advise you do not chase these hoes, just replace these hoes, and you must do something with your life. Do something today that will change your tomorrow. Your narcissistic ex is an ex for a reason, and you cannot save them because they don't want to be saved. You must stop waiting for love and being relationship-focused and be purpose-driven. Because no one is coming to save you. You are all you have. No one is going to do shit for you. There is no such thing as handouts in life. Everything must be earned. If your ex wants to come back in your life, make them earn you back. It works like this. In the ocean of life, there are no lifeguards. You either learn how to swim or you sink. You must find your purpose in life. I advise you to not be relationship-focused and to get up and grind on your hustle non-stop. Relationships are a small thing, and as long as you are breathing, you will have to be working on your goals and purpose. The day your purpose stops is the day you die. Before they throw that dirt on top of your casket, what legacy are you leaving behind? What did you create, or how was you a service to someone? Also, what you want them to write about you in your obituary. Think about that. Fuck a narcissistic ex. Before you get out of the bed in the morning, think about what you're getting out of the bed for. You weren't destined to be on someone's back burner and be somebody's slave or be taken advantage of. Stop worrying about your narcissistic ex or spouse because you were designed in the image of greatness. So why are you living a mediocre lifestyle? Your narcissistic ex is only a distraction from the life you deserve to live. So to sum it up, what is your ex going to be doing after your relationship? They're going to be a hoe. And you must let a hoe be a hoe. There's nothing you can do. Understand? Narcissists love chaos and drama and dysfunction. All the shit you do not need in your life. Remember, your attention is power, and always stay focused on your purpose and on your grind. People love winners. Become a winner in life and focus on your goals. Everything you want out of life is wrapped up in your goals. Remember, these narcissistic, sociopath, inconsiderate hoes are irrelevant, and you should never take them seriously or put them on a pedestal. Because they bring absolutely no value to your life, they're only for entertainment purposes only. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. Friedrich Nietzsche.